Okay, so my daughter comes home and brings me her iPhone and said, Daddy, I haven't been on my phone for a whole week. A whole week I haven't been on my phone. I've been at the leadership school for the Air Force ROTC, right? And she'd been gone for a week. Couldn't wait to get home, get on her phone. And when she got home, this is what she found. iPhone is disabled. So what had happened is her little brother, who's 11 years old, had gotten onto the phone and tried to guess her password too many times, and when you do that, it becomes disabled permanently. The only thing you can do is connect it to iTunes. Now, if you try to connect that phone to iTunes right now, it won't work. It'll say that there's a corrupt file or something like that. It won't let you do anything. It won't even pick up your phone. I tried it on a MacBook Pro. I brought it in here on the Windows laptop, tried it. It didn't work. No matter what, plug the cord up to it, it still says iPhone is disabled and won't work on iTunes. Alright, so I found a way to make this work. First, you want to make sure you're getting the most recent version of iTunes, which in this case, today, is 12.7.5. That's going to take a little while to download, but make sure it's updated. It even says it right here. To update your iPhone, you need to install iTunes 12.7.3. So what we're going to do, in order to update and restore this iPhone, first I got to update my iTunes. Pretty simple. Now the second thing I want you to do, if you're trying this, is take your phone and turn it off. Hold down the power button until it says slide the power off. Okay. And the next thing you're going to want to do is plug your cord up to it. And as you plug your cord into it, you want to hold down this button. And just keep holding that button down. Watch this, you'll like this. There you go. See, now it doesn't say anything about the phone being disabled. It says connect to iTunes. Once you've updated your iTunes and you've connected it, it's already connected once your iTunes is updated. Once your iTunes is updated, you will be able to hopefully restore the phone. Let's find out. Okay, it took about 2 hours to update iTunes. I don't know why it was so slow, but we are attempting to update the software on the phone. We're going to do the update first. It's extracting the software. I'm going to try the update first, because if the update works and we can get back into the phone, we don't have to lose anything. But if this don't work, we'll have to do a restore. Okay, it's reached the end of the update. Now the phone is restarting. Let's see what happens. I'll let you know though, this is a long process. This isn't something you just plug and go and 10 minutes later you run it down the street with your iPhone. It takes a couple of hours. You don't have to be tech savvy to do this. But it might help. Okay, well the update didn't work. You see the little line under the apple? I let this thing sit there for about an hour and that line never did fill in. I did it twice. I unplugged it, started over, reloaded iTunes, tried to update it again just to make sure it wasn't a glitch, but that line never did move, so I don't think it was able to update. So instead I decided to do the restore, iTunes is restoring the software on this phone, restoring phone software, and now I see the black line is moving, so we're doing a total restore. The only thing I didn't like about doing the total restore is my daughter's got a lot of stuff on that phone, music, poems that she wrote, and stuff like that, and I didn't want, for the past year, and I didn't want her to lose it. What I'm hoping is, after I restore the phone, she signs in with her iCloud information, and she's recently backed it up to iCloud, she'll get most of that back. That's what I'm hoping for. Now we just got to wait for this process to go through. Okay, it says your iPhone has been restored to factory settings, and the iPhone is loading back up. Let's see what happens. Alright, it says welcome to your new iPhone, and we have hello, hola, and it is ready to go. Select English, United States, I'm gonna let my daughter finish setting this up and putting her information in it, and hopefully she'll be able to sync up with her iCloud and get all of her stuff back. But we have fixed the phone. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you fix a disabled iPhone. And for future references, leave your phone, if you're going to leave your phone put it up somewhere safe where your kids can't get a hold of it, or where a child can't get a hold of it, and disable that sucker for you. Because if they do that 10 times and you have a setting set on there, it'll erase that thing. It won't be. And that ain't good. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like and comment below.